right, so let's see if this works. So recently, check if this works. Yeah, okay. Recently I've been thinking that I was using the volume candles for power bars, and although it's good, right? It's strong. For example, with this, we push it lower, and with this bar, we push even lower. That's good, right? And the idea was if we have more power, we go down. If it's red, right? And they enter. The issue I've been having with it is when the market shops around, and if I'm wrong, I'm left with a trade that has poor risk to reward. And I'm not entirely sure it's a good idea to be using it. So for now, I'm not going to be using the power bars. So I'm hiding the volumes, right? And I'm showing something else now. Okay, so this is 5 minutes. This is a block from H1, and what I'm showing here is recent. This particular thing I didn't trade because this is Japan index, but the signal appeared on Japan, and I thought I will give the example. So, two charts. One 1 hour. Find the block, and I'll show the 1 hour after this. And the second is 5 minutes. So you've probably seen it all over the webs. 1 hour with 5 minutes, 15 minutes with 1 hour, and also, for example, 4 hours with 15 minutes daily with 1 hour. Yeah, so the bias chart in this example is 1 hour, and let's get into it. So we have a 5 minute chart here, and obviously this is recent high, but yeah, also on a 1 hour it's a block, and we go here. The signal is not what you may expect. So you may think that, okay, price comes into the block and this is a pin. If you enter short on the pin, in my opinion, you're making the mistake. Now, second type of reasoning in my book is, okay, we have pin, we have double lows, we break the low. Oh, we have now power to the downside. This is good. That's the second type of reasoning. Third type of reasoning is we need also the pullback. So we need the lick, chalk, and retrace, right? In this case, the pin would represent the lick, or whatever time price comes into the level is actually the lick, right? We touch the liquidity, which should be here. We don't know, but it should be here, right? The chalk part is change of the character, or as I like to see it, price needs to show me that the waves are going in the direction that I'm looking for. So first, price comes there, shows me a kind of rejection, which is displayed by a pin, for example, or another type of price action formation within the box. Second type, the change of the character state or changing of the wave flows, right, needs to be in the same direction that I want to see. So in this example, we change it here, right? And the third type of logic is we change the state and we go back to the level where we were. So we changed here. If we changed here, we came from this level, then we want to find simple price, let's say green and red. We want to find simple price action formation at this level and enter, and this becomes the strike zone. 3-layer approach, and it's good, if you ask me. It's a good approach. That's not what I'm talking about today. I'm talking about the next evolution of this, right? So this would become strike zone, right? And as you see, we have a harami just touching it. Harami is breaking formation, but harami is not short formation, green with red. But in this case, we only need to show that force has stopped and we should fall back down again. And the target is here. But let me remove this because I think I've explained this enough in recent videos or older ones. You can probably find them. So today what I'm showing is at this level, what I want to see is this. We come to the level, right? We have green, we have red. Red is defeating green. We have one of these. We have one V, upside down V, right? And then we go down, we have another one, but we failed to close beyond the green. So we have to start the sequence over again. Okay, so we have green, we have red, we have green again, no. All the way up to here, green, red. Does this close below? Well, it's the same level, so let's count it, right? Green, red, green, and then reaching for this, and down below. So here, we have double V. This is hard to see here, right? I'm gonna make it clear. Give me a sec. Okay. What do we have in this formation? We have a valid entry. Okay, so these are open, high, low, close bars. And if we want to go down, we want to see this, right? Down and down, one, and down and one, and here, down. Yeah, that's what this formation shows us. Now, let me show you. Bear with me. It's a green box. Okay, look at the green box. Let's start here. This is the level where the entry should be. Okay, this is the stop. I'll explain it soon enough. Now, look what happens when I go and do like this. See? When I put the line chart on, and that's what I interpret by using the colors, the line chart is showing me up, down, something, and then down again. Here, this it was changed, or really in the line chart, the state was changed here, right? But since it's a double top, the state is changed here, and that's what the line chart is showing. Candles, right? See, boom. If this is a spike, which it is, notice the spike. If this is a spike, then this is a double top. Then because this is a double top, then this is the break of the low, and that means the state is changed. Okay, cool. So that means that this is the entry, and you might say, oh, then this is the stop level. No. If this is the stop level, I will use, regardless of what instrument, I will look at the size of the candles, and I've been using this philosophy for years and years and years. The size of the candles, on average, I just push it. Average the same size of candles. Close candle size. This is small, this is big, this is small, this is small, this is normal size, this is small size, this is small size, this is a bigger candle, this is a bigger candle. A normal candle size added on top of the level is where the stop is, and what you will find is in this particular this is a 5 minute. If it was a daily, the stop would be a bit far away. It doesn't, it works, it just works, right? So that's why the stop is here. And now for the take profit, this is the wave up. First one doesn't count, this is the second one, and that is the target, unless we're targeting a 1 hour chart, which this signal is not showing currently. In which case we would target here. Now, so again, we have green bar. We need to make it really big to explain it. We have green bar, red bar. Okay, we have one red bar because we're looking for shorts, right? We have a green bar within, that's cool. Another green, whatever, that's cool. We have a red bar. Finally, a red bar defeated it. That means we have two V's. We have this. 1, 2. We need to create 2 of these to go lower. And the same way, I'll show another example, is here, right? What do we have here? Green. Okay, we're looking for shorts, so we need to have the red bar winning, right? Red, 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 red. Here the red bar win once. Another green bar, and you will say, okay, but it's a bit above. Hey, listen, this is a gap in price, and it may look different on your chart. I just have it here, for example. It's within the bar. Let's say the green opens and it's within the bar, right? So what we have is green, red. We have one V, we have one green, and we have another red down. This is a signal, right? The same as this. Okay, it's the same as this. It's just more precise or more. I'm not saying it's more better or stronger, but it's more exact. It's more, yeah, precise is probably the word. And thus, so we have the entry here after the red bar, instantly just flat. And this is the high, and this is the high, and yeah. This, because we have this formation, we can use the same high for the stop, and it was here. And this is the recent low, that's not the target. And the target is the next low. From here, what is the next low? Well, if this is not the target, okay. We have this level, we have this level. What defeated this level? Down, 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 okay. We came here, okay. We came here, okay. Came here, okay. Okay, so when we defeated this, we went up. This was the low. Okay, so the next level is here, and the next level is here. That's why this is the target. That's why. And now you see the entry target is 2.7, and this one, I think it would have trailed out, meaning stops would be pushed down, and may not hit take profit, but probably would trail into some kind of a winning trade. Yeah. Okay, let's remove this. And yeah, so why this area? I'll show you on the 1 hour. Okay, the idea is here. Yeah, price went up, stall, 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 falls down, comes back up, falls back down again. What has happened here? I'll show you what has happened here. Oh, wrong tool. What's this? Right? Did we change the state? No. But is the price actually creating waves down? Yeah, here. So, what my logic is, well, if we come back to the area over here, and if we see some internal action saying that we should go down, then we should go down. And that is exactly why, come on now, and that is exactly why I outlined this area and I found a trade here. Now, if I was looking for a target on 1 hour, I would target this, and I may very well just leave the trade. Or like I have been this summer, I set a new personal record. I think 8 winning trades in a row with the bias chart model, and I was trading that with a 1-to-1, right? Obviously more winning trades, but I mean, this is not bad. 6.3, right? Cool. Sometimes you get that, sometimes no. Or you might say this is the target. Anyway, so that's the idea. If we clear this out, how would you find bias? So this is a 1 hour. Let's say I'm trading the 1 hour and the 5 minutes. I wanna trade this model. Okay. I think I've explained this before, but let's do it quickly. So we had 1 hour. Price came back down. We came from here. We created this low. Whatever, something happened here. We didn't defeat it. We came to the level and the same double bottom, right? Now, because price defeated the high here that created double bottom, we have now strength to the upside. What do we do if we have strength to the upside? We look for the recent low that is strong. So that's what we have at that point, right? We look for some reaction here, and we would go into this. Yeah, that's the green bar. This spike, this action needs to show me the same pattern going up, or it needs to show me green, red, green, red, green, yeah, up. and we can try to find it. It's on January 2. Let's see if we can find that. Let's see. 5 minutes. There we are. Let's see if we can find it. So we would be here. Yeah, this is the action we need to find. Right, so, okay, we are there. So the recent target would be this then. Okay, I guess it's here. There we go. This is the recent target. We were targeting this then. And so we come into the area with this bar. Red, green, 1. Same color, same. And we go down, and actually the red defeats the previous area. So we have to start the sequence over. Red, green, we defeat. Green wins. Cool, we have 1. And down, red wins again, defeats the previous area. We have to restart the sequence. Okay, red, green. Okay, we have 1V. Up. Look very carefully. Red, green, red, green. Here we are. That's the recent normal size gap. And what's my target? As stated previously for 2R trade. I know it will hit the target. This is simply an example, right? So, but the idea is of my philosophy here is, well, it's an internal price action double chart layered model. So for the direct price, I'm looking at 5 minutes here, and for the bias chart, as explained previously, I was looking at 1 hour chart. And yeah, to reiterate, the correct color swings need to win. We are looking for long wave price action, meaning that the green bars needs to show more strength than the red bars. And in this example, red here closes at its level. And yes, we create another high with the green. That's good, it's 1, we need a second one. But these 2 bars after following, this red bar is lower than this close. The spikes don't count. The red bar is lower, meaning we have to start over the sequence. And so that means we have 1 bar down, 1 bar up. Yes, we have 1, and another bar, we have a red bar. Cool. And we have a green bar. So now we have number 2. That's why entry here. Target is here. Stop is here. And for the trailing, let's see. This is choppy action, yeah. Yeah, I think this particular trade, I'm not sure. Would I do it? This is a double top, right? The trail would probably go something like this, because this is a double top. This came from here. Probably stop would be here. We'd be taken out, and most likely I would probably look at this again later in like the EU session, like it's, I don't know, 7, 8 here somewhere. I would probably look at this again from here on going forward to find another signal, and most likely there's something in here like there's more like red, green, red, restart, green, 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 red, green. Yeah, here's another signal. There, right? And the same targets. It's targeting up there somewhere. There's the same target, right? And the adjustments of this is as follows. So same, some chop, another higher level, higher, second level. We still have this level, second level. We have a higher level. We have a double top here, right? So this is now the second level. And we have prices moving even further, higher level here, double top here, defeated. So this is the second level, and it's a double. So we're trailing it here, 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 and yeah, you get the idea. And yeah, maybe, oh, sorry about that. Maybe eventually we hit the targets or we hit the trail. Who knows? But yeah. Or depending on time, if I don't have a time to trade, as I did this summer, I just put for a 1-to-1 and just leave it and let the signal provide profit if it can. I've also seen other people using the same logic. Like if the target and risk reward is 1-to-1, we just put the trade on and we just leave. And I even seen some people go the route as, you know, I'm gonna find one trade one day or per session or whatever, and just put it on for 1-to-1 and just leave it. And I tend to agree that I think it's a good idea. Yeah, so this is the a lot of drawings and my super good drawing paint skills. And yeah, I hope you maybe you learned some of my thoughts. And anyway, if you like the video, if you have some questions, then post your questions. And I will see you at the market, at the open. Yeah, that's it.